Curaçao of Curaçao, Curaçao of Curaçao, Curaçao of Curaçao. Huh? No, we are not just seeing Curaçao two times. We are talking about the Curaçao Liqueur, also named the Blue Curaçao. Welcome! This is the place to be to find out everything regarding vacationing in Curaçao. Here's what you need to know about the Curaçao Liqueur. Since 1896, the Curaçao Liqueur has been produced in Curaçao. The Spaniards came with the Valencia orange to plant in Curaçao. This turned sour due to the weather and was discarded. Later, the senior family got a hold of an experiment with this orange, added spices to it, and made a Curaçao liquor. Luckily, they did, because now everybody loves the Curaçao liquor. You might have already tried it in a drink. Most times, it is called the Blue Curaçao because that is the most popular color of this liquor. Green, orange, and red are the other colors Curaçao liquor is made in. Aside from that, there's the clear Curaçao. Things were taken a bit further and 3 new flavors came into existence. The chocolate, rum raisin, and the coffee flavor. Want to know a trick? Mix the chocolate and the coffee flavor together to make mocha. When you are in Curaçao, you can taste this liquor at the Landhuis Chobolobo. Let's say that slowly. Landhuis Chobolobo. All that information might have been a bit confusing. Let's recap. There are 5 different colors of the orange flavor, and there's the chocolate, rum raisin, and the coffee flavor. They are all made at the Landhuis Chobolobo. If you want to know more info about where else you can find the Blue Curaçao, why there is so many different brands, and how to get to Landhuis Chobolobo, head on to CuraçaoVacationBlog.com. See you next time on Vacationing in Curaçao.